Thank you.
Hi, so my name is Antoine. I'm the CEO and co-founder of Knowledge Plaza, and I'm here with Gregory Kulpin doing the demo. So what we do at Knowledge Plaza is that we provide a platform that helps information professionals, like creators of information, to pick up the good information they're using every day, to have one place where they can organize it, and in a way that they can share this information with their team, with their colleagues, so that they can actually use this information either to stay informed or to use this information to produce some content and based on that, or to share this information with some clients. So how does it work? So if we go to a website, like let's say I'm looking for all, like my job as an information professional is to look at all the startups based in San Francisco. So I find this nice startup and I quickly want to bookmark it. So it starts like a simple bookmarking system. I click on the bookmarklet, it takes the URL, it takes the title, and I can save it in Knowledge Plaza. Then I can organize that. So I will say that it's talking about communication. It picked it up actually for me before, and I will say it's based in San Francisco. So I save the information. It's a very quick way to do that. You can do that with documents, you can do that with emails, and you can also do that with contacts. Like if I go on LinkedIn, let's say, I find Miles' contact, and I think that is very important, and I keep it on my knowledge base. I go on his LinkedIn profile, I click on the bookmarklet, and it's taking the name and every information I need automatically. I can save the information again, I can organize it, it will be stored in my knowledge base. So what's happening when we do that? Actually, for the website, if I go back to Knowledge Plaza, it's taking all the information from the website. So we take a picture of it, we do a PDF, so it's going to be stored, it's going to be indexed, it's going to be organized. And all the people in my company or my clients will be able to interact with that. But think that we don't only do that with website, we do that also with documents, contacts, and emails, with every different type of information you're handling every day. So every time I do that, every time I put a comment, every time I add something, it's generating some kind of activity. So when I go to my dashboard, my personal dashboard, I have a visibility of what all my colleagues or all my teams are doing on the same project as me or on the same topics that I'm working with. And so I get this feeling of being part of a company, or maybe when I'm a client, being part of something that is moving on. But in a company, you don't only have information professionals, you also have people that want to consume the information. So we build on top of all the information that the information professionals are putting inside Knowledge Plaza, a good search engine and a way to browse it. So if I can go to my Plaza, let's say I want to see what we have about music, so I do a simple search music. And again, it's going to search inside the documents, but also inside the content of every website that I've been saving in there. And, but I don't only want to search about music, I want to refine that and I want to say, I want to have everything about music, but in the place San Francisco. So I click on the tag and then it's filtered down, I only have a couple of information, and I can pick the information that is useful for me, or maybe I just can read to stay informed. But I want to know if some people are going to add more information, because right now I want to know what's about music in San Francisco, but maybe tomorrow one of my colleagues is going to put something. So I can save this search. And I can ask Knowledge Plaza to send me an email like every day or every week or every 3 days, or I can follow that by RSS, so that any time when someone adds some more information talking about music in San Francisco, I will be alerted that the information is there. But information professionals, what they want to do also is that not only gathering information and to organize it, but they want to do a collection of information. So let's say that I'm looking at all the startups in San Francisco, or like, let's say another example, like the web mission. If you take the mosaic of the web mission, so let's say that we use Knowledge Plaza to organize the web mission here. And so we picked up all the websites from the place we wanted to go, we picked up all the different events going on in the place, all the plane we could took, we put everything inside Knowledge Plaza, everyone was allowed to put some comments saying, okay, I'm taking this plane, no, this one is very expensive, blah, 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 so lots of activity. And then some of the person that have a good relation with information, what they did, they built a package for this information. So they organized everything around one topic, which was the web mission. And then with this package, when you're done, you can actually export it. So you can export your knowledge, you can export the information so that you can send it to your client. Maybe you can sell this information to a client as well. And it's actually generating a nice PDF for you. and it's exporting every website that you've been saving or every document as a PDF as well. If it was a contact, you can import it in Outlook, and if it's linked, you can then open the links and everything. So we've been running for 2 years now. We mainly have been working with businesses. If you go to the website. So we've been mainly working with big businesses in Europe, and now we're opening to smaller businesses with a software as a service model today, actually. Thank you.
Wow.